y'all? We're about to unbox another video. We're about to unbox this NBA2k20. What got on Xbox One. We got Anthony Davis on the cover, and we got the NBA2k20 says Anthony Davis. Got the front, side, and the back. It said next, as real as gets. And be the next, and the third one said the next neighborhood, and the third one says collecting complete. The fourth one said welcome to NBA. We got there's on the back cover. We got Kobe Bryant. I'm not sure that person is. We got Giannis, one of my favorite players. We got single player, multiplayer, co-along play, all that good stuff. We got it's published by 2K, and about to unbox it. This guy one of my favorite players. Also, I got our favorite team, Los Angeles Lakers. Alright, about to unbox it. Alright, let's get the manual. Alright. I did get that for Christmas as well. Same thing I got with the 2K20. Even my Xbox One, which is right there, I unboxed it. Yeah, I got it's my new console. I got NBA2k20. Menu. Yeah, I got a phone with me in case you didn't know. Sorry about that. Alright. Let's get the disc. First, next thing, let's get to the disc. We got, my bad, NBA2k20, the disc. I got 2k20. Alright. Make sure like the video, comment down below how you like my NBA2k20 unboxing, and subscribe to my channel. Also give me some more views on my other videos I got on my other channel. Check them out as well, and give me more subscribers. Give me about 100 and 1,000, something like that. All the good stuff. Even the million subscribers, give me some more subscribers. Which now I'm planning on making more videos, but I'm gonna keep on doing it. So yeah, alright, peace, yo.